In today's video, on our second night on our first camping trip, we thought it'd be good to crack open the telly that we purchased. So this one's called, I think it's pronounced Cello. It's made in England. We've chose a 16-inch one. I know that they do 19-inch and I know they do up to maybe 21-inch or more. But we chose 16, we didn't want to go too mad. It's only a short wheelbase transporter. It's got quite a lot of stuff on it. Got built-in DVD player and a Freeview tuner and a built-in satellite tuner. You can also plug in a hard drive in the USB. So hopefully it should be very good. So we ordered this one off Amazon and I think it was about £130. I'll put a link in the description. It's quite exciting. New campervan, and now a telly for the campervan. I know the kids are looking forward to having the telly, although they're currently using the internet on the campsite on their iPads. So what do we get? Well, we obviously get the telly. It's quite light, which you would expect for 16-inch. And there's quite a few parts, there's quite a few sockets at the back there, as my wife is kindly showing you now. As I say, it's got a Freeview built in and it's got satellite built in, which is awesome. And at the side we have a DVD player, even better. I'm going to leave the protective film on for a minute while we see what else we've got. I'm glad that we can get rid of rubbish at the campsite, because there's quite a lot to get rid of. So we purchased this TV based on a lot of reviews. We like the fact it's made in Britain. And it also comes with a 240 volt plug and a 12 volt socket. So you're covering both bases while you're camping. Now the site that we're on at the moment's got 240 volt hookup. So we'll be using that. I think the remote's almost as big as the telly. Now we're not going to need the stand, I don't think, that will come with it, so I'll put that over there, because there's something else that we purchased which I'll show you in a minute. That's what I was looking for. So there is for the 240 volt adapter, which is excellent. Of course, the beauty of this is the electric's part of the deal when you're on the campsite, so it's effectively not costing us any extra to use, which is excellent. So there we have it. One TV. Show the controls on the top there, which I assume are more for the DVD player. It's all pretty standard stuff. So on the back, like TVs that you have at home, it's got a VESA system, VESA system, which means it's a standardised fitment for standard TV brackets. Which is a good time to mention that after again reading lots of reviews, we purchased this little bag of tricks, which means that we can hook up our new telly to the bars of the driver's seat headrest. Now again, this has got some excellent reviews. It's made by a company called Gallant. Yep, got that. And the one that we purchased has got a quick release fitting on it. You can get one where it's just static and it's there all the time, but I thought, don't want the TV on show all the time, so quick release bracket seemed like a good idea. Now, I don't like reading instructions, but I'm guessing I'm going to probably have to read the instructions for this. So obviously, as you can see, that's the part that's going to connect to the headrest, and I'll fit that up in a minute. That's obviously the part that's going to fit the bracket. And it is literally just sliding on there, which means that part must be fitting to the TV, and that part must be fitting to here. So if you can see that, folks, on there we've got the different sizes for the different size that might be on the back of the TV, so that's good. So unsurprisingly for our 16-inch telly, it's the smaller size, which is absolutely fine. There is a cross screwdriver in there. It's not really cross screwdriver, of course, it's just, I'm sure it's quite a happy screwdriver. How's that? Now this is a good purchase, folks. It says Adventure, I'll do that again, Adventure Ridge, purchased from Aldi. We've already used it and we've only been here, this is our second night we've been here. And we've already found a use for it, and now we're finding a use for it again. Happy days. We want a television. We're in North Wales, near the end of October. It's cold outside, although it's been a sunny day today. There's a video that's going to be uploaded soon with that. That's done. I'm wondering what those bolts are for. And somebody watching this video will already know what those bolts are for. Well, fitting the Gallant headrest TV mount is an absolute doddle. You literally are just screwing it onto the bars of the headrest, so that was easy. The only thing to note is, of course, you need the arrow that's pointing up here to be pointing up, and you want the corresponding arrow on the back of the TV to be pointing up. I think we're ready to see if it fits. And there you have it. It is adjustable. I can manoeuvre that around and pick where we want it to be. I think that looks quite smart, I do. Happy with that?
Yeah, very nice.
Good. I think we need to take the cover off. There's something satisfying about taking pieces of plastic off, shiny plastic. I think that looks alright. So as you can see, you could get away with a bigger TV, but we thought no, we'll try and work it with a 16. It's looking good. Let's get rid of some rubbish. I'm going to fill the campsite bin up in a minute with the rubbish. Don't want to take it home with us. Do you like that, Alice?
Yeah.
It's not working yet, but we'll get it working in a minute. Right, so before we click OK, there's one last thing, folks. We need an aerial. So the one that we've chosen is a Neckvox Ant 536, it says on there. Again, I'll put a link in the description. Again, this is based on a number of reviews. I think I'll try and do all my product reviews at a campsite, and then I'm just filling up their bins rather than filling up mine. Whilst that's loading, I would say, if you choose the 16-inch version, if you can see where that's plugging in, the adapter that comes with the aerial that we've chose, link in the description, is too long to fit over this piece at the back of the telly. Which means we need an adapter that's going to put it at a 90-degree angle. But we've managed to shove it just enough for it to find some signal.
With strong language, some scenes of a sexual nature, and some scenes
Sounds fascinating. Let's see what channels we got. BBC Two Wales, that's working.
Wales working.
Now, although it's dark, folks, there's been quite a few reviews of this TV saying that you can't see it at an angle from the side, but I honestly think that that's an excellent picture. And you can see it from the side quite well. Yes, the sound is a bit thin, but then it's a small TV. Even larger TVs don't have a particularly good sound. So I would say that's a good image, apart from the fact it's talking about Brexit again. Okay folks, thank you for watching. We'll try and get my wife to speak more on camera on future videos. We hope you found it informative. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and look for a link at the end of the video to subscribe. See you on the next one.